Education is the most powerful weapon that can change the world by empowering its citizens. The power of education is not just development of skills but touching the lives of each and every child, thus making him or her competent for life and career. India has the fourth highest percentage of primary age children who are not in school. Furthermore, the rate of school dropouts is also very high. While the government of India is doing commendable work in the sphere of educating the underprivileged across the nation, there is more to be done. Adani Foundation, through its network of 36 schools in India, is providing holistic education to students from weak financial background with a system that is perfect blend of modern technology and traditional values.
One of the focused programs with Adani Foundation is education. And when I say education, there are different innovative initiatives in various states of the country, like Gyanodaya, Utthan, and capacity building of the teachers.
Adani Foundation nurtures these talented students and provides them cost-free, high-quality education with complimentary support in meals, transport, uniform and books. Started in 2008 with 134 students. Today, Adani Vidya Mandirs are the second home to more than 3,000 students annually. Currently, Adani Vidya Mandirs are operational in Ahmedabad and Bhadreshwar in Gujarat, Surguja in Chhattisgarh and Krishnapatnam in Andhra Pradesh.
In all four Adani Vidya Mandirs, two in Gujarat, one is Chhattisgarh and one in Andhra Pradesh, we serve the students from modest economic background, from the underserved strata. So we take them, we admit them in our schools, provide all the facilities to them and also ensure their bright academic career. But that is one part. The other interesting part where also we are focused is to imbibe human values in them, because ultimately we want to bring out a better citizen for the country who are able to build the nation in the strongest way.
Established in June 2008, Adani Vidya Mandir Ahmedabad is co-ed and affiliated to Central Board of Secondary Education, New Delhi. Admission is open to class 4 for those students who reside in 11 kilometers radius of the school. In March 2019, the school got accredited by NABET under Quality Council of India, making it the first private school in Ahmedabad to achieve this feat. The students have outperformed their peers from similar background in terms of cognitive skills and emotional intelligence in spite of economic constraints. During 2021-22, 7 of our students got MBBS admission in government medical colleges and 1 in IIT Mumbai. The performance of alumni in terms of employment and positive experience of the parents prove that high-quality education with an enabling learning environment is essential for sustainable development and improving socio-economic status of such disadvantaged families. Started in June 2013 at the heart of Salhi village in a lush green settings, Adani Vidya Mandir, Surguja in Chhattisgarh is a co-ed English medium school affiliated to CBSE.
We teach the student about the life skills like problem solving, decision making, critical thinking and pressure handling so that they can face the challenges of life easily. In our school, we make the children cultured, civilized tolerant and responsible citizen.
80% of students in the school are first-generation learners, hailing from tribal and marginalized communities. Adani Vidya Mandir, Surguja provides learning-friendly infrastructure and amenities to help students in exploring their full potential. The school places equal emphasis on cognitive, mental, physical, social and spiritual growth of each child. It facilitates them to transform their untapped potential into success stories. Its infrastructure includes well-equipped computer, science and math laboratories, a library, an art and craft hall, a dining hall, an audio-visual room, volleyball and football grounds as well as a children's park. These facilities equip students to explore, experiment, experience and execute their learning in the best possible manner, acting both as a medium and as a platform.
I am happy to be in Adani Vidya Mandir. We are getting many types of facilities here. Our school provides us uniform, books and copies. My teachers are very supportive and friendly.
Our teachers are very supportive. They always encourage me to work hard and motivate me to get my best outcomes.
गांव में रहने के कारण अच्छी शिक्षा नहीं दे पा रहे थे, लेकिन अदानी विद्या मंदिर के द्वारा अच्छी शिक्षा मिलती है, इसलिए मैं अदानी विद्या मंदिर को धन्यवाद देती हूँ।
Sameer Yadav is a class 10 student of Adani Vidya Mandir, Sarguja. His father, Ram Lal Yadav, is a farmer who could not afford to send his son to school.
हम अदानी विद्या मंदिर का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करते हैं, जो कि बच्चों को खेल कूद में बहुत सहयोग कर रहे हैं।
Adani Vidya Mandir, Surguja not only provided Sameer with cost-free quality education, but it also facilitated his training in javelin throw.
मेरा मानना ये है कि मैं इन बच्चों को ऐसी ट्रेनिंग दूं ताकि ये बच्चे भी शहर के बच्चों को कम्पिटिट कर पाएं और बाहर किसी नेशनल लेवल या फिर स्टेट लेवल तक इनको पहुंचा सकूं मैं।
Sameer recently won a bronze medal in Javelin Throw Championship 2022 organized by Athletics Federation of India at Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh.
मैं एक दिन ग्राउंड में जैवलिन थ्रो कर रहा था, तो वहाँ पे हमारे कोच ने देखा तो वो बोले कि अच्छा कर रहे हो, आगे तुम अच्छा परफॉर्म कर सकते हो। वो मुझे स्टेट लेवल में पार्टिसिपेट करवाए। फिर वहाँ पे मैंने अदानी विद्या मंदिर की तरफ से ब्रॉन्ज मेडल सिक्योर किया। इससे मैं अदानी विद्या मंदिर का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा। वो मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं मेरा सपना पूरा करने के लिए।
Like Sameer, Sakshi Yadav too comes from a low-income family. The school provided her the right platform to nurture her interest in music.
I feel truly blessed to able to study at Adani Vidya Mandir. This school is boon for us. Our teacher is friendly and supportive. They focused on our overall development. We have also well-trained music and sport teacher.
अदानी विद्या मंदिर के प्रिंसिपल वो बहुत ही बढ़िया से बच्चों को समझाते हैं, सरल रूप से। जो उससे बच्चे आके बताते हैं कि सर बढ़िया है, हमको समझाते हैं, वो तो सरलता से हम समझ जाते हैं, जिससे हमको पढ़ने और समझने में बहुत आसानी होती है। शिक्षा के साथ साथ हमारे बच्चों का खेल कूद, सांस्कृतिक कार्यों में भी विकास हो रहा है। इसका हम अदानी विद्या मंदिर का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करते हैं।
To nourish and nurture young minds and to prepare them for a bright future, Adani Foundation has collaborated with Byju's, where the foundation is providing tablets to all students from class 4 to class 10 in Adani Vidya Mandir, Sarguja. These tablets have customized CBSE content to enable better learning experience to students. The content can be accessed without internet, anytime and anywhere.
अदानी विद्या मंदिर में बहुत ही अच्छा आधुनिक रूप से शिक्षा दी जा रही है और यहाँ तरह तरह कंप्यूटर वगैरह भी पढ़ाई हो रहा है। बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाई हो रही है, आधुनिक शिक्षा दी जा रही है, जिससे बच्चे आगे चल के अपना सपना पूरा कर सकते हैं, अच्छे अच्छे पोस्ट पे जा सकते हैं। बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाई चल रही है यहाँ आधुनिक शिक्षा के रूप में। इसके लिए मैं अदानी विद्या मंदिर परिवार और अदानी फाउंडेशन को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ।
Adani Vidya Mandir, Surguja was the winner in the Samagra Shiksha Empowering India Awards 2020 from the state of Chhattisgarh.
I am future ready.
I am future ready.
I am future ready.
We are future ready.
Coming up, Adani Vidya Mandir in Bhadreshwar is a unique initiative undertaken by the Adani Foundation to empower and educate children from underprivileged backgrounds. Adani Vidya Mandir in Bhadreshwar, district Kutch of Gujarat, is a unique initiative undertaken by the Adani Foundation to empower and educate children from underprivileged background. The school provides these students cost-free education along with uniforms, books and stationery. Established in June 2012, Adani Vidya Mandir Bhadreshwar is a co-ed Gujarati medium school that is recognized by State Government of Gujarat. The school has more than 510 students, out of which majority belong to the fisher folk communities. Many of them are the first generation learners.
अदानी विद्या मंदिर भद्रेश्वर ग्राम्य एरिया में है और यहाँ ज़्यादातर पेरेंट्स शिक्षित नहीं है और उनको शिक्षित बच्चे बनाने के उसको अवेयर करना पड़ता है, उनके घर घर जाके उनको समझाती है और एडमिशन करवाने के लिए और यहाँ पढ़ाने के लिए उनको प्रेरित किया जाता है।
At Adani Vidya Mandir Bhadreshwar, learning is not limited to the four walls of a classroom. It is much beyond that, as it focuses on overall development and growth of every child, because creativity and talent find many canvases and platforms under one roof.
At Adani Vidya Mandir, we have a very structured, holistic development program for each child, where we work on their head, heart and hand development. Social, emotional quotient, intellectual quotient and physical development, which incorporates all kinds of various activities, competitions, celebrations, where they develop confidence, 21st century skills. They deal with better communication and teamwork.
Adani Vidya Mandir Bhadreshwar has enabling infrastructure that includes a tastefully designed school building, well-ventilated classrooms, computer lab, rich library, indoor and outdoor play areas, and science laboratories that aid in sharpening the cognitive and applicatory skills of students. In addition to these, a music room, multi-purpose hall, and art and craft room provides ample space for honing creative talents and social skills.
नई शिक्षा नीति के अनुसार आगामी समय में हम 11वीं और 12वीं शुरू करने जा रहे हैं। यहाँ से पढ़कर बच्चे अपने पैरों पर खड़े हो, आत्मनिर्भर बने, स्वनिर्भर बनकर समाज में अपना स्थान हासिल करें, अपना गौरव बढ़ाएं और हमारा जो अदानी फाउंडेशन का जो एक विज़न है कि समाज में कुछ नया करें, तो वो सपने को साकार करने की हमारी हार्दिक इच्छा है।
Adani Vidya Mandir also provides remedial classes to the progressive learners. Scholarships are also provided to the alumni of Adani Vidya Mandir Bhadreshwar to pursue their higher studies.
पेरेंट्स का भी सपोर्ट हमें बहुत ज़रूरी है, इसलिए हम पेरेंट्स मीटिंग मंथली और होम विजिट भी हम नियमित रूप से करते हैं।
NABID, under Quality Control of India, certifies Adani Vidya Mandir Bhadreshwar as the accredited school, thus making it the first state board school in Gujarat to achieve this feat. The school demonstrated that a cost-free model can become the symbol of academic and human excellence following the highest standards set by the national body.
इस दशक के दौरान स्कूल ने बहुत सारी सिद्धियां प्राप्त की है। उसमें एक सिद्धि और भी है कि ये स्कूल में नेबेट प्राप्त हुआ है और नेबेट ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर है कि पूरे गुजरात में गुजरात बोर्ड की गुजराती मीडियम की पहली शाला है जिसको नेबेट का सर्टिफिकेट मिला है।
Muhammad Shakil belongs to a fisher folk community. His father is a Pagadiya fisherman. He would have joined his father in the family occupation, but life had different plans for Shakil.
मेरे पिताजी और मेरे परिवार में 8 सभ्य हैं, वो मेरे को आगे पढ़ा सके ऐसी मेरे पिताजी की कंडीशन नहीं थी, तो मेरा ऐसा ही सोचना था कि स्टैंडर्ड 6 तक ही मैं पढ़ूंगा, आगे फिर फिशरमैन करूंगा या फिर कोई भी मजदूरी वाला काम कर लूंगा।
He joined Adani Vidya Mandir in 2014 as the first generation learner, and ever since he joined the school, his life took a positive turn. The school provided him cost-free education, meals, transport, books and uniform throughout his schooling. And with consistent support from Adani Vidya Mandir, Shakil secured the second position in class 10th exam, and today he is working as mechanical engineer at Adani's Mundra port.
अचानक मेरी ज़िंदगी में एक ऐसा मोड़ आ जाता है जो अडानी फाउंडेशन और अडानी विद्या मंदिर से मैं कांटेक्ट हो जाता है, और दौरान स्टैंडर्ड 7 से स्टैंडर्ड 10 तक अडानी विद्या मंदिर में मैंने पढ़ाई की और अच्छे मार्क्स लेके मैंने 10th तक अडानी विद्या मंदिर में कंप्लीट किया। उसके बाद भी विद्या मंदिर का साथ न छूटा। 10th के बाद भी 3 साल के लिए डिप्लोमा मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग में अभ्यास किया और वहाँ पे भी अच्छा मार्क्स लेके आज मैं अडानी पोर्ट में अच्छी सी नौकरी का फर्ज, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग का फर्ज बजा रहा हूँ।
At Adani Vidya Mandir, education is a journey offering many pleasant experiences for inquisitive minds that are actively developing. The school facilitates the students' progress in academics as well as co-curricular to bring out the best in them.
It provides a wonderful journey to each child, a journey of a cocoon turning into beautiful butterfly.
To empower the teachers, the true mentors and facilitators, Adani Vidya Mandir, Surguja and Bhadreshwar regularly conduct need-based professional development, self and peer assessment on every quarter, peer class observations and 360-degree appraisal. Rilia Mamad Abzal had many apprehensions when he joined AVM Bhadreshwar. Being a first-generation learner, he faced many challenges. The constant mentoring helped him to be more confident and performing. Today, he remains as an inspiration to many of his juniors.
We also work on their social emotional quotient, where no child is left untouched. There is a personal counseling being done as and when needed to inspire them, to motivate them.
Adani Vidya Mandir Bhadreshwar created a history in scoring 100% in the class 10th board examination 2022 when the state average was around 66%.
हमारे बोर्ड के जितने भी छात्र हैं उन सारे छात्रों को बोर्ड की परीक्षा पास जब आती है 1 महीने पहले से ही हम इन सभी छात्रों को हमारे पास रख लेते हैं। 24 घंटों वो हमारी ही निगरानी में रहते हैं। इस कार्य में पाठशाला के प्रिंसिपल, वाइस प्रिंसिपल और सभी सारे विषय शिक्षक जी तोड़ मेहनत करने लगते हैं और सारे बच्चों को जिस विषय में कोई दिक्कत हो, कोई परेशानी हो तो सब मिलके उनकी ये परेशानी दूर करने में लगे रहते हैं।
मेरी स्कूल का हर वक्त रिजल्ट 100% आता है और इस बार हमारी जिम्मेदारी है कि हम हमारी स्कूल का 100% रिजल्ट लाएं और मैं अपने माता पिता और अपनी स्कूल का नाम गर्व से रोशन करना चाहता हूँ।
Adani Vidya Mandirs have been playing a pivotal role in shaping the future of children from the underprivileged sections of the society since 2008. These temples of learning have become a place to learn and a space to grow as they are nurturing citizens of tomorrow and creating thousands of success stories across India.
कुछ साल पहले मैं यहीं बैठता था, आज मैं LLB कर रहा हूँ। यहाँ से ही मेरे सपनों को उड़ान मिली।
Adani Vidya Mandir, I'll say that it plays an important role in my life into becoming a person that I am today. The platform that I got to build self-confidence and to learn so many things on so many different levels apart from academics and other things. I am really thankful for Adani Vidya Mandir for that.
Teachers were very friendly. Like they listened to all our smallest doubts and tried to clear it in the best way possible. It boosted my confidence. It increased my creative aptitude level. It helped me identify my passion.
This benchmarking model of Adani Foundation is truly contributing to the efforts of nation building.